Here's a 2013 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver points out, the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.